Hi friends, welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will tell you and show you how you can very easily enable or disable disappearance modes in Instagram app. Friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes, and please don't forget to write your comments at the end of the video. And let us get into this topic with you. Unscroll the Instagram app. Next, you'll need to go to the Messages section. And then you're going to open up a conversation with a person. And I'm going to show you now how you can turn the disappearance mode on or off. So, to do that, you'll need to tap on the person's name at the top. Next is privacy and security. And here you'll be able to see the disappearance mode. And activate it with this button here. If you go back, you can see that disappearance mode is set up. And when disappear mode is set, you can see that the screen in Instagram goes black. And just like that, you can turn it off by going to the top to the person's name, then privacy again, and again so disappear mode. Just turn it off. That was the first way. And the second one, it's if you've gone to correspond with the person. And in order to turn disappear mode on, you have to swipe from the bottom to the top of the conversation. It's like this. And as you can see, that's how you turn on disappear mode. You can turn it off in the same way by swiping sharply from the bottom and up the correspondence. So in these two ways, friends, you can easily turn the disappear mode on and off in Instagram. Friends, I really hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to this channel. Make sure to put your likes, write comments, and see you soon.